Okay, so this tutorial is going to show you how to manage your website. In other words, show Dreamweaver where your folder is, where all your files live on the pen drive. Without that, it's really important you do this. You need to be very managed about how you organize your website, and everything needs to be in one folder. Now, if you remember before, I explained about the htdocs folder, which is the Apache web server folder for all your files. And it's very important that all of your files are stored in that folder. Don't put them in subfolders within that folder. Just keep them in htdocs. It makes life a whole lot easier. I'll show you that in a moment, but if you look to the right hand side of the screen here, at the moment we're defaulting to the desktop. We need to change that. We need to show Dreamweaver the folder, the pen drive, the htdocs folder on the pen drive. And in order to do that, we need to manage the website. Now, if you're working on a laptop, chances are you will always remember, Dreamweaver will remember the last place you had the pen drive, and it will remember the setup. If you're on one of the machines in the lab, in the IT suite, then it defaults straight back to the desktop. So just do this every time, just to make sure that A, the pen drive's in the right port, and that your site is managed correctly. And trust me, it'll save you a whole load of problems. So we go to Site, New Site, and give it a name. I'm just going to call mine website. And here we're going to browse to find the htdocs folder. So it's saying choose a root folder. So let's go ahead and find the pen drive. There it is, XAMPP. And then we want the htdocs folder. When you have that, click select. So what you're going to have is your root here. You're in the you've got your pen drive, XAMPP, and you're in the htdocs folder. That's what you want. Don't go inside other folders, That's your local root. Okay, it makes life a whole lot easier. Put everything in htdocs. Then we need to set up the server, because this is going to be a dynamic website. So we click on servers, and then we're going to add one. Okay, give it a name. I'll just call it localhost. Call it what you like, whatever makes sense to you. And then we're not FTPing, that's File Transfer Protocol, and that's where we upload the site to a live server. This is just going to be locally tested. So we're going to go to local. And on the server folder, again, it's htdocs folder that we've just searched for. You should go straight back there. So click select. And in the URL, I want you to type in localhost. Okay? Then we click on advanced, because we need to tell the Dreamweaver that we're running a testing server. And the server model for that, in this case, is PHP MySQL. Okay, when you're happy with that, click save. Now, here's the important thing. Take it off remote and put it onto testing, because this is a testing server. When you're happy with all of that, click save. Everything caches through, and in a moment over here you will see your files will appear. There you go. So we have our website, and if I scroll down, you'll see there are my files in my htdocs folder. So now all I need now to open one of those files is to click on it, and Dreamweaver's already pointing there. Okay. The next tutorial will be showing you how to connect the database to the website. So over and out for now.